These 10 guns will leave your Glock 19 in the dust. From compact and concealable to power-packed and precise, upgrade your firearms game with these superior shooting machines, and leave that dumb Glock 19 behind, okay? I know you love him, I know you have a name for him, but just, he's not welcome here, okay? I'm sorry. Anyways, dumb jokes aside, let's get to the video. Number 1. Wesson Model 686. The Smith & Wesson Model 686 is a 6-shot double-action revolver produced by Smith & Wesson. It's chambered in .357 Magnum, and it's also capable of firing .38 special ammunition. The Model 686 was introduced in the 1980s, and it's still in production today. The Model 686 has a classic design with adjustable sights, high-visibility front sight, and a solid frame. It's built for durability and reliability, with a stainless steel construction that can withstand heavy use. The Model 686 also has a comfortable grip and a smooth trigger, making it easy to handle and shoot accurately. Available in a range of barrel lengths from 2.5 to 7.5 inches, the Model 686 can be customized to fit the user's needs. Some models featured a blued or stainless steel finish, and there's also specialty models available with unique features, such as adjustable rear sights, fiber optic front sights, or custom grips. Number 2. Ruger GP100. The Ruger GP100 is a double-action revolver produced by Sturm, Ruger & Co. It was first introduced in 1986 and is still in production today. The GP100 is chambered in a variety of cartridges, including .357 Magnum, .38 Special, and .44 Special. It's built on a rugged and strong frame, and it's designed to handle the recoil of heavy cartridges. The GP100 has a classic design with its adjustable rear sights, high-visibility front sight, and solid top strap. Its solid construction and reliability make it a popular choice for self-defense, target shooting, and hunting. The GP100 is also known for its comfortable grip and smooth trigger, which contributes to its accuracy and ease of use. Available in a range of barrel lengths from 3 to 6 inches, the GP100 can be customized to fit the user's needs. Some models feature a blue or stainless steel finish, and there's also specialty models available with unique features. Wow, that line never gets old to say. Anyway, some of these unique features are adjustable rear sights, fiber optic front sights, or custom grips. Number 3. Colt Python. The Colt Python is a 6-shot double-action revolver manufactured by the Colt Manufacturing Company. It was first introduced in 1955 and is considered one of the finest revolvers ever made. The Python is chambered in .357 Magnum and has a distinctive look. With its polished stainless steel finish, adjustable rear sights, and ventilated rib on the top of the barrel. The Python is known for its exceptional accuracy, smooth trigger pull, and tight cylinder lockup. Its high-quality construction and attention to detail make it a top choice for target shooting and hunting. Additionally, the Python has a large following amongst collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate its classic design and superior craftsmanship. The Colt Python was produced in a variety of barrel lengths, including 2.5, 4, 6, and 8 inches. Some models were also produced with a blued finish or engraved detailing. Over the years, the Python has been used by law enforcement officers and civilians alike, and its reputation as a reliable and accurate revolver has only grown. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Model M&P 9. The Smith & Wesson Model M&P 9 is a polymer-framed semi-automatic pistol produced by Smith & Wesson. It's chambered in 9mm and it's designed for military, law enforcement, and civilian use. The M&P 9 is a versatile and reliable pistol with a polymer frame for reduced weight and improved resistance to corrosion. It features a striker-fired trigger system, providing a consistent trigger pull for improved accuracy, and a 3-dot sight system for enhanced shooting precision. The pistol also has an ambidextrous slide release and interchangeable backstraps, making it suitable for both right and left-handed shooters. Available in a range of finishes, including black and flat dark earth, the M&P 9 is a stylish and functional pistol. Its versatility and accuracy make it a popular choice for military and law enforcement use, while its compact size and lightweight design make it a good option for personal defense and concealed carry. Number 5. Heckler & Koch VP9. The Heckler & Koch VP9 is a polymer-framed semi-automatic pistol produced by Heckler & Koch. The VP9 is a versatile and reliable pistol, with a polymer frame for reduced weight and improved resistance to corrosion. It features a striker-fired trigger system, providing a consistent trigger pull for improved accuracy, and an adjustable grip for a personalized fit. The pistol also has a paddle-style magazine release for quick and easy magazine changes, and interchangeable backstraps and side panels, making it suitable for both right and left-handed shooters. Available in a range of finishes including black and flat dark earth, the VP9 is a stylish and functional pistol. Its versatility and accuracy make it a very popular choice for military and law enforcement use, while its compact size and lightweight design make it a good option for personal defense and concealed carry. Number 6. Walther PPQ. The Walther PPQ is a polymer-framed semi-automatic pistol produced by Walther. It's chambered in 9mm and it's designed for military, law enforcement, and civilian use. The PPQ is a versatile and reliable pistol, with a polymer frame for reduced weight and improved resistance to corrosion. It features a striker-fired trigger system, providing a consistent trigger pull for improved accuracy, and quick defense trigger for fast, instinctive shooting. The pistol also has an ambidextrous slide release and interchangeable backstraps, making it suitable for both right and left-handed shooters. Available in a range of finishes, including black and navy, the PPQ is a stylish and it is a functional pistol, while its compact size and lightweight design make it a good option for personal defense and concealed carry. Number 7. FN509. The FN509 is a striker-fed, polymer-framed, semi-automatic pistol produced by FN America. It's chambered in 9mm, and the FN509 features a polymer frame for reduced weight and improved resistance to corrosion, as well as a striker-fired trigger system for a consistent trigger pull and improved accuracy. It has an ambidextrous slide stop lever and magazine release, and it has a low-profile optic mounting system, making it easy to add a red dot sight. Available in a range of finishes, including black and flat dark earth, the FN509 is a stylish and functional pistol. Its versatility and accuracy make it a popular choice for military and law enforcement use, while its compact size and lightweight design make it a good option for personal defense and concealed carry. You know, I don't know if there's any way to make that same line spicy. If I don't know. Maybe I'll try it different next time. Let's see. Number 8. Ruger American Pistol. The Ruger American Pistol is a striker-fired, polymer-framed semi-automatic pistol produced by Ruger. It's chambered in 9mm, 45 ACP, and 40 S&W, and it's designed for military, law enforcement, and civilian use. The Ruger American Pistol features a polymer frame for reduced weight and improved resistance to corrosion, as well as a striker-fired trigger system for consistent trigger pull and improved accuracy. It has a modular grip system with interchangeable back straps, allowing the shooter to customize the grip for their individual hand size. Additionally, the pistol features a low-mass slide and barrel, reducing that recoil and improving accuracy. Available in a range of finishes, including black and stainless steel, the Ruger American Pistol is a stylish and functional pistol. Its versatility and accuracy make it a popular choice for military and law enforcement use, while its compact size and lightweight design make it a good option for personal defense and concealed lives. I needed to rhyme with the concealed carry is the thing it's good for, but you already knew that. Number 9. Taurus G3C. The Taurus G3C is a compact, striker-fired, polymer-framed semi-automatic pistol produced by Taurus. It's chambered in 9mm and it's designed for personal defense, concealed carry, and recreational shooting. Ooh. The Taurus G3C features a lightweight polymer frame for ease of carry, as well as a striker-fired trigger system for a consistent trigger pull and improved accuracy. It has an ergonomic grip with a non-slip texture for a comfortable and secure hold, and it has a low-profile design for easy concealment carry. The G3C also features an adjustable rear sight and a front dovetail for improved accuracy, and it has a 10-round magazine capacity. Available in a range of finishes, including black, matte stainless steel, and two-tone, the Taurus G3C is a stylish and functional pistol. Its compact size and lightweight design make it a good option for personal defense and concealed carry, while its accuracy and reliability make it suitable for recreational shooting activities. I think I'm going to do this last one like a pirate, make it spicier that way. What do we think? Yes? No? Okay. Number 10. I'm just pulling your chain. It's the Taurus Model 66. The Taurus Model 66 is a 6-shot double-action revolver produced by Taurus International Manufacturing, Inc. It's chambered in .357 Magnum, and it's also capable of firing .38 special ammunition. The Model 66 was first introduced in the 1970s, and it's still in production today. The Model 66 has a classic design with its adjustable rear sights, high-visibility front sight, and a solid frame. It's built for durability and reliability, with a stainless steel construction that can withstand heavy use. The Model 66 also has a comfortable grip and a smooth trigger, making it easy to handle and shoot accurately. Available in a range of barrel lengths from 2 to 6 inches, the Model 66 can be customized to fit the user's needs. Some models feature a blue or stainless steel finish, And there's a lot of specialty models available with unique features, one of which being a cannonball. No? Okay, I was just trying to bring that back. Like cool stuff like adjustable rear sights, fiber optic front sights, or custom grips. Do you like the value that we provide in your life? Well, then pay us for it. Our links are in the description below for you to give us your money. I'm just kidding. Hit that subscribe button. That's all that we ask. See, we're nice. Apart from these 10, there are a few other guns that can crush the Glock 19. Any gun ever made. Watch this video to learn more.